Hi, we're in our warehouse, just showing you a typical day at Teko Broadcast. First of all, we're working on these two N+1 systems. As you can see, we've got two. Both of them are 4+1 systems. We're working on them to ship them in the next few days. As you can see, the RF is connected, the audio is connected, it's all plugged in. We've got some relays here. These are 7x16. And for this one, the machines have an N connector, so the relays will be with an N connector as well. Right, so aside from this, we're working on a 5 kilowatt modular transmitter, which we're going to ship as well in the next few days. As you can see, it's got two 2500 amplifiers and one 30-watt exciter. This model has a double exciter actually. So as you can see, this is exciter 1 and that's exciter 2 with a web control and telemetry. It's plugged into the dummy load for testing, and you can see all the connections at the back. So we just looked at the 5 kilowatt modular, and over here we've got a 5 kilowatt compact, which we were testing. We just switched it off to make this video, and then we'll turn it on again as soon as the video is done. We switched it off because it makes a lot of noise, so it wouldn't be good for the video. As you can see, it's connected. The dummy load is still warm because it was testing, as I mentioned. And yes, this is our version of the 5 kilowatt and it's compact. Then over here we've got some equipment that we use in the workshop. There's quite a lot of it, as you can see. And right here we've got some DRM modulators. We've got a partnership with Gateair, and we use them with our amplifiers that we manufacture to make a complete DRM high power transmitter. And these are driven by the RF Mondial content server, and in turn they drive our amplifiers in the complete high power transmitter. Then we've got some units in stock. These are our exciters, which are 30 watts or 50 watts. Here we've got some transmitters, 1200 watts, 500, 600, 300, 1000. And this is where we do the burn-in test. So all these transmitters have passed the burn-in test and are just waiting to be packed and shipped to our clients. As you can see, that's where we test them. Then moving on, we've got some other stuff that we're shipping here. All of these are 3 5 kilowatt modular transmitters, which are already packed and they're going to leave in the next few days. And these are going to be shipped with this equipment here, which it's all passive components, such as filter combiners, dummy loads, and that kind of equipment, which is going to be shipped with the 5 kilowatt transmitters. Then, as you can see over here, we've got our carton boxes and pallets for our transmitters. Those are rigid lines which are going to go with this equipment here. And over here we've got some racks for our 5 kilowatts. We've got more 5 kilowatts in order, so the racks are ready and the machines will be assembled soon. Finally, we've got some other equipment here that's gonna leave. Those boxes are transmitters. We've got a 600 watt, two 600 watts actually, some antennas, RF cable, antennas with a power divider, cables and connectors. So it's a complete system. That's another box for an antenna system. And as you can see, we've got our stock of antennas here. Those are stainless steel dipole. And over here, we've got all the different types of power dividers with 4, 6, 8, 2 outputs and different connectors. There's an N, 7 by 16, and different input connectors as well, to have all kinds. So thank you for joining us, and this is our typical day at Teko Broadcast, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.